In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your WordPress URL. This quick and easy process helps you locate both the WordPress address and the site address, which are essential for managing your website effectively. First, open your web browser and go to wordpress.com. Log in using your credentials to access your dashboard, the central hub for managing your site. Next, look at the left-hand sidebar and find Settings. Click on it and then select the General tab. This is where all your site's fundamental settings are located, like the title, tagline, and time zone. Scroll through the General Settings page and you'll find two important fields: WordPress address and site address URL. The WordPress address is where your WordPress files are stored, while the site address is the URL your visitors use to access your website. Make sure to note these URLs carefully. They are important for plugin configuration, email notifications, and site migration. Avoid changing them unless you fully understand the consequences, as incorrect changes could make your site inaccessible. And that's it. By logging in, accessing settings, and checking the General tab, you can quickly locate your WordPress URLs. Handle them with care and they'll serve as a gateway to all essential site functionalities. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have questions or suggestions for future WordPress tutorials.